Yeah, subscribe. Subscribe right next to the name. Yeah, that's it. Doesn't matter which one you go. Once it's on the page, you just tell me if you find it. Quick wrench to. I should say subscribe right next to the his name. Yeah, thank you, Quick Wrench. Thank you for stopping in. First time you're here, don't forget to subscribe too. Keep the family bigger. We want to mechanic all the mechanics together. All people who want to know about mechanics, we want to get them on this channel, talking live about everything. Garland, hope you find it, guys. You're gonna be off the live in the next 7 minutes. So hope you find the subscription button. Or if your brother can show you, or if your friend can show you. Um, Ali, he know where it is. He could probably help you out too. And Quick Wrench, thank you for stopping in to share that comment. Check out my videos, and if you like to subscribe, you can feel free to subscribe. We're glad to welcome you on the team. You the master tech for 29 years, master. Oh, that's very nice. So my journey just began. Um I've been certified for 7 years, but I've been working like 20 something years too. Long time. So right up to computer cars now. So it just advances as we go by. We just have to keep going. Compute the you never finish learning this trade. There's always something that you don't know or encounter too. So thank you for the word of advice and the word of yeah. Thank you for sharing that with us. You learn something new every day, trust me. Because sometimes I do the same thing every day and you still learn something in that same thing. It's either you know, well, no work can be 5 minutes all the time. It's either you do this 5 minutes now and then tomorrow some shit happened and something broke, then you be like 20 minutes, then the next day you get it in 2 minutes. It's not, you learn something every day. Every day is not the same. So don't think when you're going to do a break job, it's going to be the same time. Something is different because some ball gets seized and all that stuff. Thank you for that. Sharing good advice with us. All right, guys, we're 54 minutes in. A couple seconds, guys. We're gonna come off the live in the next 5 minutes. If anybody got anything to wrap this up or say or ask any question, ask right here. I try to answer the best of my ability, and I have other people online too that can come in to answer the question too while we are there. So, guys, everybody not perfect. Alan, hi bro, what's up? That's the same Alan that's looking for the subscribe button, or it's a new one. Thank you very much for stopping in, and I hope you check out my videos and subscribe. Guys, I just want to know, right? Somebody answer me this one. When you see the live, can you see a subscribe button on the live anywhere there? Okay, okay. Somebody tell me they can't see. So when you go on the live like this, where the subscription button is right there, you could see and you just press it, or you have to look for it. It's just right there on the top of the screen. I don't know. Explain that to me, because I'm not on your side, because I might have to watch somebody live to see. Explain what you're seeing. Um, the setting is better. The setting is bad.